Hey everyone, and welcome for a new video. Today we'll discuss about unicycle. As you know, I moved from my Gotway Tesla V2 that I used for almost 1,000 miles a few weeks ago to buy this Kingsong S18. And I think it's the wheel that I was looking for. I really love it. I did already 100 miles with it, and I think it's time for me to add some customizations to the wheel. Then I'm currently thinking about two customizations. The first one will be the pedals. Then I want to replace them with spiked pedals to help with the grip and to make it easier, some tricks that I will do with the wheel. The second one will be the monopad that will come here to help me to brake a little bit more easily and to accelerate a little bit more easily and to be able to ride with one leg in a more comfortable way. But for the monopad, it will be for a next video coming in the coming next weeks because I'm still waiting to receive it. And then today we will start with the spiked pedals that Chris Chaput is building and sending to the community. I will put all his information into the description of the video. But yeah, today what I wanted to do is a quick review of the spike pedals from Chris Chaput. The quick installations I will try to pass when I'm doing like the installation, just show you the main key thing to install the pedals. And we will do a quick review when I will ride the wheel with the spiked pedals and give you some feedback on how I feel about these pedals. But I'm pretty sure that I will love it because when I asked on the community on Facebook which pedals, like which spiked pedals I should use, I got a lot of propositions on people mentioning the name of Chris Chaput. Then I'm pretty sure that I will love it. But let's see. Now let's start with the first part of the video, the installations. Then I will put the camera a little bit here. It will be a little bit easier for you to follow. Then the plates are here. The first thing that you have to do, at least based on the message that I got from Chris, is to remove the tape that you have on your pedal. Then this Kingsong S18 is the second version of the Kingsong S18. It's the second batch, mean that they did some upgrade and some modifications based on the feedback of the community. And for the first batch of the wheel, this tape was really super easy to remove, at least it's what I saw on the videos. And as you can see here, it's pretty easy. It's not so easy to remove. It was kind of okay, you just had to find a way of like gripping somewhere to be able to remove it. But at the end, it went pretty well. And when we are removing the thing, you will see that you have 5 different nails that we will have to remove just here, and we will have to replace it with the pedals, right? Not like this, right here. There we go. Just before we start the installations, I just wanted to discuss about the quality of the plate. It's full metal with the little spike here. The grip seems to be good quality. It seems to be custom made as well. The packaging was homemade as well, but was perfect because it was not touching anything and it was really delivered in less than a week. Then I was really happy about that. And Chris, already thank you for your service. It's really a good service for now, and the quality seems super strong. Then yeah, let's see, let's install it. The first step will be to remove the 5 little thing here. Then what I will do is I will just do it now, and I will cut the moment and take you back as soon as it's removed. I think I will just show you the process because it's super easy to remove. And I think it will give you a good idea of the amount of time that you will need to remove all of them and to unplug the pedal. There we go. Then the next step will be to first remove the tape that you have on the back of the spiked pedal. Align it correctly with the holes that you have on your pedal. There we go. And just plug it in like this. As you can see, it's pretty perfect. Everything is well aligned. Really great quality. I love it for now. And now what you have to do, Chris is already directly providing you as a replacement because they need to be a little bit longer to be able to fix the plate. And he's already providing you that. And I'll try one, see how it goes. And if it's going well, then I will just cut this moment because I don't think it's the most exacting part of the video. And I don't want to have a 30-minute video for you folks. Then let's start with the first one. Okay, first one went pretty well. I'll go the opposite one right here. This one is a little bit more complex because it's just next to the body of the wheel, but we got it. Then yeah, pretty straightforward. I will just cut the video right now, install the rest, and take you just after. There we go. It's installed. It took me approximately 40 seconds to install it. Then it was pretty simple. Then the result is pretty good. It's gripping really well. It's well fixed. Like when I try to remove it, it will not move at all. Also, when you are trying to put back the pedal, everything looks good. You have a little more gap than the other one. I will not be able to do that, but let's try to do it like this, where you can see the two pedal. You see the one without the plate can go a little bit further on the body. This one still a little bit more air, but it's not really a big deal. I think it's better because when you're riding and you want to like do it with your second foot, it would be easier to grab the pedal with your foot and to extend the pedal. And I think it's not a big deal. I think it's good. And yeah, I think for now it's okay. Hey everyone, welcome for the second part of the video. As you can see, my clothes did change because I got sick just after the first part. It was 3 days ago. Then yesterday I took some time to still test the spike pedals from Chris Chaput, just to make sure that I have at least 20-30 miles ride with it before giving you my feedback on it. General feedback, I love it. It's really comfortable, like to do the sidewalk and to jump the like some stairs and stuff. It's really working well. The feet is really gripping well with the pedals compared to the default pedal of the S18. And as you can see, my shoes are not super like big. They are super flat. Mean that you need to have something that is really like easy to grip and to make sure that you are not like losing the control of the pedal. Then yeah, I just wanted to show you some stuff about one leg and jumping some ramp, and yeah, it will be good for today. Then you have a lot of wind today. It's a bit more difficult than usual, but as you can see, it's really gripping well, and yeah, it's much easier than usual. When I can turn, the pedal is really fixing. I can really do whatever I want with this pedal. And what we'll do, we'll try some jump here. So that's moving, working well. Quickly go here. And try to jump some grass here. Working well. And yeah, the feet are really staying well. It's really nice. And to stop, it's great as well. It's kind of helping. I didn't have a lot of need to stop, but with the pedal it's much easier. Okay, let me stop here now. Then yeah, general feedback about the pedal, the spike pedal from Chris Chaput. They are really great, not too expensive, and the quality is really interesting. Like after 30 miles, and as you can see here, the jump and like riding with one leg was much easier than before. Then yeah, I will really like, if you need spike pedal, I would really advise you to contact him and to get yours from him. You can get all these details on the descriptions below. And as usual, if you like this kind of video, I will continue to do some stuff. I have the mono customized power pads that are arriving in 2 days. I will do a video on this one pretty soon. And yeah, if you like it, feel free to subscribe, like the video, and talk